Welcome to Germany. If you've recently moved here, one of the first and most important things you must do is something called
Anmeldung.
But what exactly is
Anmeldung?
Why is it mandatory? What documents do you need? And what happens if you don't register on time? In this video, we'll explain the entire
Anmeldung
process step by step in simple English. So let's get started and make your first steps in Germany much easier.
Anmeldung
Is the official registration of your address in Germany. When you move into an apartment or arrive in Germany, you must tell the local authorities where you live. This registration process is called
Anmeldung.
You usually complete it at the local residence office called
Bürgeramt, Bürgerbüro.
Without
Anmeldung
many important things in Germany become difficult or even impossible. That's why it is considered one of the most important first steps for newcomers.
Anmeldung
Is connected to many important systems in Germany. After registering your address, you can receive your tax ID, open a bank account, register for health insurance, apply for permits, and receive official mail. Your address registration is also important for work contracts, internet services, mobile phone plans, and many government services. In short,
Anmeldung
is the foundation of your life in Germany. In Germany, you usually must register your address within 14 days after moving into your new apartment. This applies if you move to Germany from another country, or if you move to a different apartment inside Germany. The deadline starts from your move-in date. If you wait too long, you could receive a fine in some cities. That's why it's best to book your appointment as early as possible. Where do you register? You register your address at the local residence office. Depending on the city, this office may be called
Bürgeramt, Bürgerbüro, Einwohneramt, Meldebehörde.
In many cities, you need an appointment before visiting. Appointments are often booked online through the city's official website. In larger cities like Berlin, appointments can be difficult to find, so checking regularly is important. Before your appointment, make sure you prepare all necessary documents. Usually, you will need your passport or ID, your rental contract,
Wohnungsgeberbestätigung.
and sometimes your residence permit.
Wohnungsgeberbestätigung
Is especially important because it confirms that you actually moved into the apartment. It's also a good idea to bring copies of your documents. Missing documents can delay or even cancel your registration. What is
Wohnungsgeberbestätigung? Wohnungsgeberbestätigung
is a document completed by your landlord. Confirms where you live, who the landlord is, and when you moved into the apartment. This document is required by law in Germany. Without it,
Bürgeramt
usually cannot complete your registration. Make sure the address is correct, the move-in date is correct, and the document is signed properly. A small mistake can cause delays. How the appointment works. On the day of your appointment, try to arrive early. Usually, you first wait for your number to be called. Then an employee checks your documents and asks a few basic questions such as your name, date of birth, nationality, and new address. The employee enters your information into the system and completes the registration. If everything is correct, the process is usually fast and simple. At the end, you receive your registration confirmation. After your registration is completed, you receive a document called
Meldebescheinigung.
This is your official registration confirmation. You may need this document for opening a bank account, signing contracts, residence permit applications, or other official procedures. Keep this paper safe. Many institutions in Germany may ask for it later. Making digital copies is also a smart idea. After your
Anmeldung,
tax ID called
Steuer-ID,
is automatically created. You usually receive it by mail a few weeks later. The letter comes from the Federal Central Tax Office. Your employer needs this number for payroll and taxes. Without it, salary processing can become more complicated.
Steuer-ID
Is also important for tax returns, child benefits, and many official financial processes in Germany. Many newcomers face challenges during the registration process. One common problem is finding appointments, especially in big cities. Another issue is missing documents or mistakes in paperwork. Sometimes landlords delay giving.
Wohnungsgeberbestätigung.
Language barriers can also make the process stressful. But don't worry. Most problems can be solved with preparation, patience, and organization. If needed, ask a German-speaking friend to help you. If you move to another apartment inside Germany, you must update your address again. This process is called
Ummeldung.
just like
Anmeldung.
you usually have 14 days to complete it. You will need your ID or passport and a new
Wohnungsgeberbestätigung.
from your new landlord. Keeping your address updated is very important because many official systems depend on it. Here are a few tips to make your registration process easier. First, print copies of all important documents. Second, arrive early for your appointment. Third, check every form carefully before submitting it. And finally, if your documents are not in German, bring translations if necessary. A little preparation can save you a lot of stress and time. Let's quickly summarize the most important points. Registration is mandatory in Germany. You must register your address after moving in. Preparing the correct documents is extremely important. Many systems depend on your registration, including taxes, banking, insurance, and work. And most importantly, don't delay your registration. Doing it early makes life in Germany much smoother. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you better understand the registration process in Germany. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. See you in the next video.